Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will do some mail call from Lamley Group. I ordered these when they released this particular car a few weeks ago, and let's open it. Ta-da! So it's a Tarmac Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupe Black Series Lamley Group collaboration. I believe they released this only a few pieces, maybe 200. I'm not quite sure. As far as I know, it is very limited. It also comes with this pin. Nice. It's from Leen Customs pin. So they release these as a bundle. When you buy the car, you have to buy the pin too, or you can buy this alone and the stickers. I didn't get the stickers, so these comes with a bundle. So I don't think so you can still buy these, because I think the store is closed until they release new cars. So let's check it out. This one first. It's a very nice pin. Is it metal? Oh, it's plastic. Yeah, nice. So leancustoms.com, or Facebook is Leen Customs. Instagram is also Leen Customs. It's a limited edition. So yeah, if you want to follow them on Facebook and Instagram, check out their website. I'm also gonna put it on the description. So 1 of 200. They say they will send some randomly some chases, whoever ordered it that time. So let's see if we're the lucky one. I have a couple of Lamley cars. I think the GT40 and the Sylvia, but I didn't get it from Lamley. I bought it from some diecast stores online, and yeah, so this is my third Lamley car. I'm looking forward to get more. Let's see what's inside. Oh crap, I damaged the box. Yeah. Bummer. Nice. Let's see. Oh, it's not a chase. It's just a regular. Ta-da! Not as lucky as I think. Whoa, it's so nice. It is so nice. Yep, it's SLS AMG Coupe. Lamley logo right there. Nice. Nice wheels. So it's not numbered, so we don't really know how much they made, but Lamley says it's only 200. So I guess we gotta trust them. Nice. This is my first SLS AMG on 1/64 scale. I have a couple 124. So yeah, nice, awesome. I believe I paid 63 Canadian dollars including shipping on this one. So considered it is limited, it's pretty worth it. Yeah. Oh, okay. So the pin says 52 of 250. So I guess this is number 52 of 250. Maybe it's only the pin or the car too. I'm not quite sure. I need to check out their website. And yeah, nice. So that's it for this episode, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.